Good evening. My name is Juan Miguel Girón, and today I am going to talk to you about the blender. All of us has used at least once the blender, but how have you wondered its main part, how it works, all this stuff? I think no. So the main purpose of this video is to illustrate you and to let you know how to use it. So I am going to divide my video basically in three main parts. The first part is the explanation, and the explanation, the introduction of the different types of blenders. The second part, I am going to illustrate you through a diagram the different parts of the blender. And the third and last part consists in the explanation of the different parts I told you before. So the first part of the video is the following. Blenders have many types of purposes, especially when you are in the kitchen environment. The blenders can mix, smash, emulsify a variety of food and liquids. There are many types of blenders, but I'm going to tell you just three, which are the most commercial ones, which are the hand blender, the cordless blender, and the powerful blender. All these three types of blenders come from the first creator in the 1922 by Stephen Polwosky after trying several times to make it happen. So the second part of the video, I am going to illustrate you the parts of the blender. So as you can see, this is the blender. The first part is the dosifier glass. The second part that is right here is the lid. After the lid, you can find the cap, which is the most important one. Then after the cap is the silicone ring, which helps to connect the giant base with the cap. After the silicone ring comes the blade. After the blade comes the blade holder ring. After this is the engine base, which is a very important part because without this motor you can't use this. After the engine base are the knobs, where you can select the velocity you want to put. So now I am going to read you like the instructions in order to use this. The motor, which contains 4 poles and different rates of velocity and revolution. After that, the next part are the blades, which are made with steel that are sharp and wide. There can be between 3 to 5 blades in order to have a good blender. Then, to its elec form, the function of the blade is to revolve and grate every ingredient. Then, it follows the suppression capacity, which is a condenser that manages to reduce interferences. The cap, as I told you before, is the most important part. Its function is to maintain all the ingredients from which is filled. It can be either made out of a plastic or glass. It gets covered by the lid. After the lid is the engine base, which connects the cap and the motor, making it work. This contains the knobs that control the velocity. So these are basically the functions of each part of the blender. I hope you like it. Thank you.